Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the icon for the shopping cart in your Shopify store. So firstly, just simply go to your online store, then click on themes. Now whatever theme you're currently using, just simply click on the three dots, then create a duplicate if anything goes wrong in the process, so you will have a backup. Now after the duplication is completed, simply go to the website given to in the description box. In here you will find a lot of icons which you can use for your website. So in this website, just simply search for cart, then just click on the search icon. Then after that, just simply click on icons over here. Now if you want to download any icon from the list given to you over here, you might have to get the premium access to do that, but if you want to download it for free, you can just simply choose free over here. Then you will get all the options for the free icons, which are still a lot. Now just simply choose one of the icons. So let's go with this one. Now just simply click on the icon. Now over here, just simply click on the drop down box near the download icon. Then choose SVG, because Shopify default icon is set on SVG, so we'll choose SVG over here. So just simply click on that. Then the download should start, and after the downloading starts, just simply choose a location, save it. Now what you have to do is just simply drag that image onto your screen and open it on your browser, which you can see over here. Now what you have to do next is just simply right click on your screen, then click on inspect. Now as you can see, this is the code that we need. So what you have to do is just simply hover over the first line of the code, then right click, then click on edit as HTML. Now just simply copy the entire thing, and after you have copied, just simply go back to your Shopify store. Now just simply click on the three dots, then edit code. Now as you know, we have already created a duplicate, so if anything goes wrong, we already have a backup. Now moving forward, you have to search two things over here, which is icon cart, icon dash cart. So you will get two options over here, which is icon cart liquid and icon cart empty liquid, dot liquid I mean. So just simply open both of them. Now the first thing that you have to click on is item cart liquid. Just simply click on that. The code which you have over here, just simply select the entire thing, then delete it. Now just simply paste the code that you copied from the browser, which is this one. Then just simply save it. Before saving, I will just simply open the store preview for you to see. Now, so as you can see, this is my current cart icon. So if I press save, and as you can see, it is now saved. So in order for you to see the result, you first have to add a product, because currently we haven't changed the icon for the cart icon empty section, which is this one, as an empty cart. So in order for you to see the icon, just simply add a product into your cart. So as you can see, the new cart icon just appeared. Now let's change it for the empty one as well. So firstly, let's go inside the cart and remove the product. Now it should get back to the normal state. Yeah. So now just simply again go back to the editor and then go to the liquid cart empty section over here. Then delete the code over here as well and paste the code which you copied from the browser. Just simply paste it over here, then press save. And now if you go back to your store and refresh your store website, the icon should change. Now as you can see, the cart icon has changed, but it is still a little too big. Now in order to change the size, just simply go back to the editor page where you pasted the code for the icon. Then just simply scroll to the starting of the code. Now over there you will find the height and width of the particular icon. So just simply change it over there. So for the width, just simply take 30, and for the height 30 as well. Then just simply click on save. Now click on preview store. Now as you can see, the size of the cart has been decreased. So if I remove the product from the cart, the size should change again back to its normal size, because I've only edited the one of the part. I've not edited the second part. So you will see the change. So as you can see, the size again got bigger. Now to change the second part, again just simply go to the cart empty liquid, scroll to the very beginning, then again choose 30 and 30 for the width and height. Or you can go more smaller, like 25. Again 25. Then save. Again, just simply click on open store. Now, as you can see, 25 looks much better. So if I add a new product, it might give you an error sometimes. So just simply close the current tab and open a new preview. Then as you can see, it is showing, but it is still a little big because the size is still 30. So let's make it 25 as well. Change it to 25 for height and width both. And save it. Now close this store, then again open a new preview store, and it is changed. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.